Fish is one treasure of the ocean which has blessed mankind with so many different preparations, so many recipes and so many flavors. So today, let's do something about fish, and we are going to cook some nice yummy fish cutlets. This particular technique where I'm going to actually poach the fish first. So I'm taking some water. To this, I'm adding some chopped garlic, freshly chopped ginger, salt, and few sticks of lemongrass. It instantly takes away the off flavor and makes it more beautiful. And just a squeeze of lemon juice, and I'm going to drop this veg as well inside. So let's drop in few chunks of fish. This is Basa, which has got a nice white flesh. Once the water comes to a boil, we'll immediately reduce the heat because fish is so delicate, it just needs to gently poach. In the meanwhile, in this bowl, so around 2 teaspoons of garlic, equal quantity of ginger. So there's ginger in it. Some chopped onion, which needs to be fairly finely chopped because we're using it raw. Turmeric, some paprika powder or chilli powder, coriander powder, and some Indian garam masala, which is a mixture of lot of spices. So I'm using some green chillies here. So just a little bit of lemongrass here. To give body to my fish cutlets, I'm just using some boiled potatoes. So some breadcrumbs here. And now, so once my fish is poached, I'll just take off the fish out straight away into this mixture. Now, let me just mix it through. It will be too hot. You can always keep the fish aside for a while till it comes down to a room temperature kind of thing before you mix it. So now nicely mix this through, and I can already smell all the aromas of the lovely spices that I've used inside. All the garam masalas, the Indian spices, the lemongrass. Once this is there, the only magical ingredient now I need to add to this is beautiful green fresh coriander, and this goes in bam. So let me mix it once again now. And there are different coatings you can give this. First, let me shape it into cutlets. So we'll make nice roundels of it, nice and tight. Once you get a nice roundel, press it lightly between your palms, very lightly, not at one go, otherwise they'll again break up. Some pressure at a time. Keep on pressing it till you get the right size and the diameter. Once they're about this size, just roll them up like this. So keep them nice and medium size, not too big, not too small. Let's make a few more like this. So this is the important part, that they have to be tightly pressed. If they are loose and when you're shallow frying them, they might disintegrate. What I'm going to do next is take some all-purpose flour in this, just with some salt and some paprika powder. Let's just mix this through. Let me coat these cutlets now. First in dry flour. So all of them. So my cutlets are almost ready there. I'm not going to waste this stock because here we have got a nice fish stock with all the flavor of lemongrass, garlic, ginger. Let me add some water to it while it's heating. To this, for the spice, so just breaking some chillies into this. A touch of soy sauce. This I'm going to serve as a clear soup along with my nice hot cutlets. And here, let's have a pan heating up to shallow fry the cutlets. Let me break some eggs. That's it. Again, let's season the eggs with some salt and some chili powder, and I'm just going to blend it through. So the eggs are now well blended with the spices. So let's add some oil to this pan. We are going to shallow fry this. So quite some oil here. So here, egg, Coated from all sides into the breadcrumbs. Roll it. Nicely coated with a thin layer. So this goes in here now. Same way with the other ones. Bam, lovely. Okay, let us check if they are crisped up from the other side as well. Yes, they are nice and crisp, golden brown from both sides. So I'm just taking them on a nice absorbent paper to drain off any excess oil, any excess fat. We've got a nice clear soup, fish clear soup made out of the fish stock. So let me just strain it into a soup bowl straight away. So we've got all the flavors in, but none of the spices coming into your mouth. So lovely, lovely clear soup. Just some chopped coriander. You can also use spring onions, scallions, a little chopped vegetables will do more good, up to you. So we've got a nice fish soup or fish stock per se. And here we have got lovely crispy cutlets. Wow. So the fish cutlets are looking amazing. They're absolutely ready. Just make sure you make this wonderful recipe.